Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have for wood restoration enthusiasts, the Star Bright Premium Teak Brightener. If you're looking to revive and enhance the natural beauty of your teak or fine wood, this might just be your new favorite tool. Stick around as we explore what makes this product stand out. Hi everyone, and today we're talking about the Star Bright Premium Teak Brightener. This isn't just any brightener, it's designed specifically to restore and revitalize tired, dull wood surfaces, preparing them for the perfect finish with teak oil, sealer, or stain. Whether you're a boat owner, a woodworker, or just passionate about maintaining the natural appeal of wood, this product promises to deliver. Let's dive into what makes this brightener so special. Firstly, it's effortless to use. No need for intensive scrubbing or rubbing. Simply apply with a sponge or brush, let it soak for a minute or two, and rinse off. It's designed to bring out the intricate grain and warm tones of teak and other fine woods, enhancing their natural beauty and color. Unlike some harsh brighteners, Star Brite's formula is safe to use and won't harm fiberglass or painted surfaces, making it ideal for marine applications as well. Wondering how to use it? It's easy. Start by cleaning your teak with Star Bright Premium Teak Cleaner for the best results. Once your wood is clean and dry, apply the brightener evenly using a sponge or brush. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes to work its magic, then rinse thoroughly with water. That's it, you're ready to move on to sealing or oiling for that professional finish. So, if you're ready to bring back the original glory of your teak or fine wood surfaces, consider adding Star Bright Premium Teak Brightener to your arsenal. It's a game changer in wood restoration, trusted by enthusiasts worldwide for its quality and effectiveness. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy restoring.